Forrest the Canoe with Shanna Shipperbottom and Ryan Walker.
Hey, I'm Ryan, and I'm a guide with Forrest the Canoe. People always ask me why we are called Forrest the Canoe. Well, this is our canoe Forrest, and we named our business after it. Whenever we go camping, it's my job to carry the canoe. My favorite part about being a guide is all the neat nature in Northern Ontario. If I had a warning label, it would say good food and great times. Whatever your true north is, come experience it with us!